Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel, and today we are back, and today I got 3 slimes and I got 3 Sharpies. I know that they are not the right color Sharpies as this, which I'm completely sorry about. So let's get on with the video. So the first color I'm going to do is this green color, and this would be the purple. Even though that it doesn't have the same, it's not the same color. I would say I had a purple neon in this, because I wanted to go perfect with these other 2 colors. So yeah, I'm going to take it out of the container, which this is the container. It's really cute. So yeah, first thing is the bubble test, which it's really clear. Next is the poke test. And then let me do a big bite. So this is a 10 out of 10 slime swirls. So let's get on with the next slime. This is the struggle. It was the slime that flooded. This is a struggle every time when I try to get this in a smaller container. This, which after I'm probably going to put these in another container. Hold on, guys. I'll be right there. I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. So I just have 3 containers for the slime. So it's that slime is going in this container. I'm gonna choose these for like mixing with something. Okay. So this is the green slime, which is pretty neon. The next slime is going to be this pink slime, which it's this pink and it's these 2 colors. So this is the container that it's going in. It's the same container, but different color. So first is the poke test. Next is the bubble test, which that is a perfect bubble. Color, perfect. Oh, and then the color of this is perfect too. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Slime swirl, which I'm just adding this one in. So I will put it in here. And then here's is the purple slime. I mean pink slime. Next one, the last one is the blue, which is like the prettiest out of them all. Like you're thinking to me, why are you saving the blue for last? Because it's so pretty. So the first thing is the slime swirl. Oh, and now it's going to be. This is a 10 out of 10 slime swirls. And adding the color to this one is 11 out of 10. That's 11 out of 10. Poke, really good. Oh, I forgot to do slime swirl. If you hear stuff in the background, it's my TV. No, it's my grandma's TV. I'm at my grandma's house. You can see here she has an upstairs and a downstairs. Unlike me, I only have one story with no garage. So let me do a slime swirl. Oh darn it! Poke test. Bubble test. Sweet. Color 11 out of 10. So, and then this is the container that it's staying in. Which I know it doesn't really feel or not. And then those are all my slimes for today. Bye guys. Peace.